You need to do these 7 things before you move. Instead of cardboard boxes, rent these reusable plastic moving crates. They stack well, are easy to carry, easy to label, and are better for the environment. Pack an essentials box and take it with you personally. That way, when you get to your new home, you will have access to all the important items straight away. Before you begin, make yourself a moving checklist. It will help you stay organized and reduce the stress associated with relocation. It ensures that you don't forget essential tasks, from notifying utility companies to packing systematically, ultimately leading to a smoother and more efficient moving experience. Make sure and label your boxes clearly. We love these room stickers as they make it really obvious where the movers need to put all the boxes. Make sure and give your new home a deep clean before you move in. This may be the last chance you have to clean every nook and cranny before it is filled with furniture and boxes. Before your move is a great time to declutter. You can get rid of all them items you no longer need, which will make your move easier, faster, and cheaper. And finally, guys, make sure and hire a great moving company. It is definitely worth the money, and your friends and your back will thank you. We hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great moving help.